beautiful people, good morning and happy Sunday. It is such a beautiful sunny day in the countryside today, and I decided that I'm going to bring Papa, Sis and Fam for a good breakfast, which is going to be in Transcentral Highway, about 15 to 20 minutes drive from where we're staying. And actually, Leia and I always go there. I miss Leia just thinking about the place. Anyway, so I think they're getting ready. It's like 8 in the morning right now. So we're gonna go over there and see if they're actually ready to have a good breakfast. To my favorite breakfast place, actually. I haven't been back there ever since Leia left. Okay, so Sis woke up very early in the morning and she did their laundry. So this is where she would hang their laundry. And by the way, she painted the door. This one. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning, honey.
Morning.
Come here. I want to see your outfit because you're wearing pink and Tita is wearing pink as well. And Mom? Oh my gosh, we're all wearing pink? Come here, Ba. Can I kiss? Ready? Wow! Someone is going to eat some breakfast. Kiss Tita. Why did you wipe it? So bad. What are you wearing? Is that a unicorn? Is that a unicorn, honey? Let me see. Wow. Is that what you wore on your birthday, the eye? Right, the gang is ready, guys. Papa gave me 1,000 pesos because it was his salary payout yesterday. It's Saturday, so today is Sunday. He said it's his treat today. Our breakfast, it's his treat. Wow, good job. Okay, we're gonna go now. So it's gonna be Papa, Sis, Atan, Scarlett, and I that will have breakfast in 21 kilometers coffee. Okay, we have Papa first. Maday sila. We're so get up. We're just gonna go for breakfast. Ay, nako. So 21 kilometers cafe is one of the cafes that I really love in Transcentral Highway. It's pretty close to where we are. So we have Sis. Hello.
Hi.
And Scarlett. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. And then who is that?
Accent.
Adson. Wow. Alright, let's go. Hi! I'm in the mirror as well. Look. Hello! We are now here in 21 kilometers coffee, and OMG, Scarlett's gonna go to the toilet, and look how nice their toilet is, guys. I love the chandelier. I mean the lighting. And then for non-customer, you have to pay 10 pesos in order to use it. Okay, look, it's nice with the stone design. I love the aesthetic, and there's plants everywhere as well. Guys, we are pretty up high. Look. Ta-da! Papa is here. Oh, gapuhoy! This is the view that we have for breakfast. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's very cloudy in this area. Over there, it's very sunny. Look how thick the clouds. Crazy, huh? Look how up high we are, guys. There's a farm over there. Not sure how would they go down. Look. Then there's another one right here. Whoa. Look, guys. Ta-da! Pa. It's so high. So crazy. So this has been built already before Typhoon Odette. And then I asked the staff if this was being destroyed. And then she said no. So this is very strong. Because Typhoon Odette ruined a lot of big buildings. But this one didn't. And imagine how up high this area is. And yeah, the wind's gonna be blowing this way. But I think the window design actually helps a lot so that the air can just go through it. Anyway, I think our breakfast has been served. Guys, can I just share how lovely the roses look? And they have really fat scallions over there. It's so pretty. And I think this is mint. Look. Do you think this is mint? I'm not sure. Nice. Come on. Slowly, huh? Alright, we're gonna go up and show Scarlett how does it look up in here. Whoa. Are you scared? Don't be scared. Say hi to Tatay. There they are. Go over there. Dili man ka mahulog because there are grills. Look, this. Ta-da! It's nice, right? Mama cannot hear you because we're inside. What a nice view. Okay, let's go down. Alright guys, we are having now our very late breakfast. Actually, these people that you guys can see, they have breakfast at 6 a.m. But because I wake up very late, this is our late breakfast. This is gonna be brunch now. Okay, what do we have here? So I'm having bangos as usual. I'm very loyal. And then Scarlett's having pancakes. That's like Mami Leia's food. Mami Leia ordered this when we were here. Whoa! And then sis is having embutido with rice. And then Papa and Atan are having pork belly. Whoa! Bon appetit! Bon appetit, everybody! Let's eat! What a nice view for breakfast. By the way, this is Papa's treat. Breakfast treat for all of us. Thank you so much.
Kain.
Kain, ina. Bon appetit, ina. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Ikaw pang gagi.
Wala putik.
Alright guys, let's eat. We're starving. We're done with our breakfast. Is the gang ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. It's actually raining. You're heading back home with this rain, so we're just gonna go slow. I think it's only raining in this area though. I don't think it's raining in the countryside because this area is a bit up high in the mountain. We were gonna you know, look for some veggies along the way, because again, you can get a lot of fresh veggies here in Transcentral Highway, and a lot of different fruits as well, especially sweet corn. But let's see if we can stop over somewhere because it is drizzling. Alright guys, we are back here at home and it is raining cats and dogs. Wow, it's really a heavy rain. Anyway, Papa, Sis, and Pam, they're in their house and they are taking a nap because we were all so full. On the way here, the rain was really heavy. I was driving very slow because I know Transcentral Highway is very prone to accidents, especially when it's zero visibility. Like, I was having a hard time looking at the road because I cannot see anything, so I was on hazard the entire time. And then when we are near here the countryside, it wasn't raining. It's crazy. And now it is. So, by the way, we were gonna stop over in my grandma's house because I actually got her a bit of groceries, like 5 kilograms of rice and some coffee for her. But then again, the rain was really, really heavy. So we ended up not dropping by anyway. Maybe I'm gonna go there and drop it off tomorrow when I go to the city since I have a meeting. And yeah, anyway, right now I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I will have to clean my room and also have to let go of a few things, some clothes that I don't wear anymore, so that we will have a new space for new clothes in my wardrobe. All right, let's do that. Hello, beautiful people. So, what happened? I took a nap after after we arrived from our brunch. I would call it a brunch because it was already 11 in the morning. And then it was raining really hard, by the way, so I had a really good sleep. Papa and everyone else also took a nap, and then we woke up around 2-3 p.m. already. So what I did is I had to put away all the laundry that I did in the city, and then had snacks. And now I'm having my second batch of snacks. Actually, right now I think it's like 5 p.m. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna have for dinner, by the way, I think my sister is cooking some fish, which is tilapia. So yeah, guys, every Sunday it is always about food and food. I mean, food is what keeps everyone together, I would say. Like if there's food, especially last night we had samgyup at home. It was really fun. We did it with my sister, mom, and my uncle and auntie as well. That was really great. Huy, can I just share that mangoes on Cebu have been, it's very expensive now. Like mangoes is around 300 pesos per kilo. So we got these mangoes in carbon and I was so shocked. Like the woman said it's 355 pesos, ma'am, and it's only 4 pieces. And I was like, what? And when I looked at here in the countryside, someone selling mangoes on the roadside, and it was 150 pesos, 120 pesos per kilo. So yeah. Anyway, let's try the mangoes. I think you guys can hear the thunder again. It is drizzling now outside. Anyway, now that my sister and fam have their own house and papa as well, so I'm now mostly the one sleeping here in the house. Well, sometimes my sister or papa actually sleeps here with me. They don't sleep in the second bedroom, by the way, which is this one. They sleep in my room, and sometimes papa sleeps here in the sofa. So it's time for me to clear out the second bedroom. It is a total mess, guys. OMG. This is how it looks. This is where I store all the luggages that I have. So I have 3. And some of the stuff that I have as well. So another one right here. So we're gonna clear it all. Let's see how are we gonna arrange this. We're gonna change the beddings and we're gonna clear out what's inside this cabinet right here. I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. So come on, let's go. Let's do that. That's agenda for tonight.